All right, so if you're watching this video, you're probably watching it because you're having trouble uh, working through activity number 14, and it's the soccer field one, right? And so this is what would always, excuse me, this is what always helps. Is to read everything, okay? So let's read this. So it says, warning. Our program has a bug, which means we need to fix it. We have a logic error, okay? The thing that's going to help you out the most is the rule. So our rule is the set speed command affects only actions that come after it. So what we need to do is we need to go into our code and we need to find our set speed command. Okay, and we need to know that things go in order, right? And it only affects things that come after it, only affects actions that come after it. So let's look. On line 1, we have our background. On line 2, we have created a sprite, right? And then on line 4, we're telling our sprite to move right. On line 6, we're telling our sprite to move left. And then on line 8, we're telling our sprite, oh, by the way, I want you to move at this specific speed, right? So let's just think about it. If we want our dog to run a specific speed, are we going to tell our dog to run a speed before it runs? Or are we going to tell a dog to run a speed after it runs? You would tell it what to do before it does it, right? And so what the issue is with this is we're telling it to go a certain speed after it moves. We want to tell it to go a certain speed before it moves, right? And so what do we need to do? We need to move this code right here, this set speed code, before it moves. And to do that, what you do is you highlight it. So I've just highlighted it right here. Okay. And then what you do is with your mouse, put your mouse over it so that it's got the little pointer. Click it and hold it. Don't let go. Click it and hold it. And then you can start dragging. And you see where I'm dragging it. You see where the cursor is. And so if I were to let go right now, it would put that piece of code where I put the cursor. And so now if I let go, just like that. It put the set speed command before the action. So remember, in coding, you need to do things in logical order. Logically, it would make sense that you tell it to go a certain speed before you even make it move, right? So now if I actually push the play button, so this ghost person's moving that fast, and we wanted our person to move that fast, and it moves just that fast. And then it says, great job debugging the program. So I hope that helped. Um, just make sure it's all about logic. It's all about logic and in order, right? You tell it to go a certain speed or to do a certain thing before you make it do it. Go this speed, please, and then you can have it when you move it, have it go that speed. Let me know if you're still confused, and I would love to help you. Thank you.